In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart chips in Google Docs. Smart chips are an incredibly handy feature that can streamline your workflow by allowing you to integrate various Google services directly into your documents. So let's dive in and see how you can make the most of this feature. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Once your browser is running, navigate to google.com. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll want to do that now. Click on the sign in button, which you can usually find in the upper right corner of the page. When prompted, type in your email address and then click next. Afterward, enter your password and click next. Again, this will grant you access to all your Google services. Now that you're signed in, look for the small grid box icon located at the top right side of the page. This is your Google Apps launcher. Click it and you'll see a list of Google services. From that list, select Google Docs. This will take you to the Google Docs home screen where you can choose the document you want to work on or create a new one. With your document open, your next step is to find the Insert option in the top menu bar within the document. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Smart Chips. Here you'll be presented with several options for Smart Chips. You can choose from people, files, events, places, date, and even a stopwatch or timer in some workspace accounts. For people, you'll be able to tag collaborators or any contacts from your Google Contacts. Files allows you to link directly to Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and more. Selecting Events lets you insert Google Calendar events, while Places helps you integrate Google Maps locations right into your document. The Date option is really useful for adding dynamic date fields that update automatically. Once you've decided which smart chip type you want to use, click the relevant category. For instance, if you're inserting an event, select Events. Based on your selection, you'll see a list of suggested items. Simply click the item you want and the smart chip will appear as a clickable and elegantly styled element in your document. The beauty of smart chips lies in their functionality. You can click on the smart chip to instantly open the linked file, calendar event, or location. This integration is incredibly efficient as it saves you from constantly switching between tabs or applications. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and use smart chips in Google Docs to keep your workflow seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy tech tips.